Guys, we are here at Lachua Trail Wildlife. Huh?
We couldn't even bring our pets because of the wildlife here, alligators and whatnot.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let me show you around. It's very beautiful here. I think this is what they call an alligator sanctuary. It was very beautiful. I love having all the Spanish moss hanging off the trees. But it wasn't long on this walk that we heard the alligators. I hear them, but I don't see them.
Underneath over here, move.
Oh look, I found a baby alligator. Just kidding, it's just a lizard, but I thought it was cute nonetheless. This is another section where they had alligators. Don't know why they had them divided, but they did. I was looking at this blue heron, I'm assuming that's what that is. But did not realize that when I was looking at him, there was an alligator right behind him, sunbathing.